Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I know I sound crazy, but I was back home for like 2 weeks, and when I go home, like my allergies start messing up because I'm in a completely different climate where I live now. But anyways, that's the point. Today is a huge day. Today your girl is about to be locked and loaded, okay? So I'm gonna share this journey with y'all. I'm vlogging and driving right now. It's probably not safe, so I'm just gonna go ahead and press pause for now. But I cannot wait to show y'all how my starter locks turn out. I would definitely keep y'all updated throughout the process, so just stay tuned. Y'all, I'm so excited. Okay, listen, I'm not combing my hair anymore, guys. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Look at it. Check me out. Check me out. Oh, come in the club. Check my dreads. Don't hate. Don't worry, y'all. Look, Lock Nation, we in here locked and loaded. That's me. I'm locked and loaded. Look. Don't worry, I'm gonna put some video. I'm so excited. I'm just, for the first 4 weeks, I'm not gonna do anything to it except for leave it like this, and then in 4 weeks I'm gonna go back to her, get another style. She says she's probably not gonna wash it. She's just gonna dry style it, well, dry retwist it, and then after that I'll get my first wash. So I'm just excited, y'all. I'm excited. I'm so happy. I hope y'all like them as much as I do. We gonna keep this update going when they start budding and all that. I can't wait, y'all. But I gotta go. I'm starting to sweat. It's hot out here. Sheesh. All right. See y'all later. Day 2 with my locks. I didn't even do my edges. I just took my bonnet off and came to class. And I love it. I'm so happy. But I do think I'm gonna get my first 2 rows split to make them like more, because right now I only have like 6 locks at the front, so I think I'm gonna do maybe 10 in my first and second row so that it'll have more locks there. Hey guys, so today is day 4 of my locks. This is what they look like. They still look the same. I'm not taking them down. I'm gonna leave them in this style for like a month or until my next appointment. But so anyways, I'm back at my stylist's shop because I want to get the first 3 rows probably to like here, from here to here. I want to get them separated and like basically put them in half. So my front row only has about 6 or 7 locks, and I would prefer it to be more like 11 or 12, like 10 to 12 if possible. So yeah, I'm gonna get her to split the first 3 rows, and then I will absolutely love them even more, and I think it'll look better in the long run too. Instead of having larger locks, I think this will look better in the long run. So I will keep y'all updated, and see y'all later. All right, I don't know if you can tell the difference. I just left, and hopefully I really like him like this. I think I will, you know. So yeah, I'll be back in a month to get them retwisted, dry, and then the following month after that I'll get it washed for the first time. So it's like, what, 2 months without washing my hair? I can do it. I got this. Okay. Okay, so my shower is running in the background. Hopefully you can hear me, but I just wanted to give y'all an update. I'm at like, what, a week and a couple of days, and my hair is so itchy I can't take it, okay? I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this. No, I'm gonna be able to do it. It's fine. I learned on YouTube, doing some research. I learned that I could use some witch hazel and peppermint oil, but I only have tea tree oil, so I'm just gonna use some witch hazel and tea tree oil on my scalp with like a cotton ball or something, and just like clean out my scalp so I can feel it be refreshed again or something, because I can't do it. I was gonna take it out of the style just because I really want to see how they're gonna fall in the front. I got them retwisted because I feel like, I don't know, like, oh, now I see the part right there, but like I just really want to see how they're gonna fall since she separated them. Anyway, this is the ends. Like, the ends look so crazy. I don't know if you can see that. Hopefully you can see it. So I was gonna take it out of the style to see how they will fall, but I'm gonna leave it in there for 2 more weeks and then take them out at my 3rd week and let them hang down and see what it looks like. So yeah, I just wanted to pop back in, update y'all. I think today's the 14th, so that means it's been 9 days with my locks, and yeah, we're just holding on, hanging in there. All right. Okay, so last minute, this is super quick. Don't mind anything back there. It's a lot. It's a lot. But this is a big thing, okay? It shouts to Tiago voice. I'm about to take my locks down out of these braids because I just don't want them in there anymore. I'm tired of this. It's what it look like. Okay, so let's take them down. I've seen other people have their locks like down their entire process, like after they first get it twisted. So I feel like I should be fine. It's been almost 2 weeks. That's not very long, but my stylist probably gonna be so mad. She not gonna be mad. This is the back. This is what the ends look like right now. So let's see. I can cut them now too. 1, 2, 3. So that looks like, the fuck? Ew, this is so ugly. $64, $65, $66, $67. Okay. So I only have 67 locks. And I think I will probably want more than this. When I see people with like 90 locks or so, that's more of the look that I want to go for. So I probably will end up getting this changed. I'm glad I took it down when I did, like right now. I'm glad I took it down because I really wanted, I was like so wanting to see how they would look down to see how they fall, because that's like really important how my locks fall. It's important to me anyway, and I really want to be able to like style my hair in various ways. Like this is a straight part. Like I'm glad I have like some straight parts, but I think, I don't know, I may have to change the triangular parting, or just get her to do more of a pattern, like a better pattern. But right now, I don't think I am 100% satisfied. And if I'm not satisfied, then I know I'm just gonna end up taking them out eventually. And I'd rather get it handled now before it's too late. But this is how they look. They're frizzy on the ends, but that's that. Let's see. Try to do a full 360. I don't know. Probably gotta focus for a lot of that, but so yeah, that's what they look like. I don't know. They kind of look alright. This amount. I don't know. Well, that's that. Bye. So I woke up this morning and I fucking love my hair. Y'all, it's only 2 weeks. I need to stop touching it. They say stop touching it, but look. Do you see this? It's so cute. And I know like this is like, okay, yeah, this is not cute because, you know, my heat damage and my color damage, but wait till my shit lock up.